Welcome to Mom Eats. Let's make these really soft and moist muffins. We can make 12 muffins out of this box. For this you need 2 eggs, 125 ml of oil, and 100 ml of water. We're going to use oil and water both. The box has muffin liners, dry mix, and chocolate chips. I'll add 2 eggs to the mixing bowl. Now we're going to whisk them. Now I'm going to add 125 ml of sunflower oil. You can use any kind of oil. Now we're going to mix that in as well. Now we're going to add our dry mixture in and mix it well. Now the box mix says we're going to add like 100 ml of water, but I'm going to add 50 ml of milk and 50 ml of water. I'll be adding 50 ml of hot water to the mixture. I'm adding the hot water in parts, as you can see in the video. Also, by the end of it, you'll see that it forms a really nice ribbon-fold consistency to the mixture which we need. Now I'm going to put the muffin liners in the baking tray. Now I'm going to start filling the muffin liners. Now I'll top them up with the chocolate chips they came with. I've preheated the oven at 180 and we'll be baking them for 15 minutes. They're exactly ready at 15 minutes and look at them. You should definitely give them a try as well.